Good morning. This is where we tented last night. Trail's right there. It's super foggy. We're getting our latest start of the week. 9:45. Oops. It was hard waking up today. I think we've just been pushing bigger miles than usual. And it's been pretty rocky. And the humidity's been killer. I think this happened last night. A couple other down things I've gone past. There was a tornado siren going off for about 30 seconds when I started setting up our tent last night. Maybe one came through over here. It's after 11. It's still so spooky. Foggy spooky. This is what the trails like pretty much looked like the whole way. Lots of little rocks. But it's not too bad. It's actually keeps my mind working. I don't know. I like it better than if it was just flat. Because then I get really bored, even though I'm still a little bored. I'm listening to music. Help me through it. So last night, after we resupplied, we took an Uber back to the trailhead. It was only 1.5 miles. Probably an easy hitch, but Booty Shirts and I are kind of scared of hitching. I don't know why. We only hiked 1/2 mile from the trailhead up like a little steep mountain, and set up camp. And then right as we were setting up camp, like a tornado warning was going off. Little tent spot. Oh, what's this little marker? Oh, just leave no trace. It's like an old AT tag. See? 2016. Anyway, so we tried to set up the tent really quick before the rain came. And we did. And there's no tornado, so that's good. But then we got a lot later start than we wanted to this morning. It's okay. Hopefully we'll still get to town before 7. Fingers crossed. Still have a little bit of Rocksylvania left. I think this is maybe the most rocky part. Just because the rocks are little. And they're slippery. So it makes it feel more intensified. These rocks are definitely very slippery. I've already fell twice. No major injuries. Booty's still whole. So these are wolf rocks. Starting to head down. From what I learned from gut hooks, this is the furthest southern glacier of the last ice age. Stopped here. I guess that's where all these rocks came from. Slippery when wet. Faux shizzle. Booty thumbs. Took a little side detour. This abandoned mine shaft. Oh my gosh. Just walking towards it. It's really cold. It's all wet in here. Spooky. Very dirty. Creepy. A little pond action. Heading into Delaware Water Gap. Sounds like there's a waterfall over yonder. Oh, it's just a thing. Hello. Last night we stayed at the Clarion Inn. It's funny, this side of the block is Clarion, and then that side of the block is like Rodan or something, some roadway. So they're actually two different hotels as one similar apart. My Uncle Brian and Aunt Pam hooked us up with their room. Whoop 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 whoop.
Give it up.
Give it up. We were doing our personal record of no real showers and laundry, and we had 11 days and decided it was time to change that up. We really wanted to stay at the Deer Head Inn, but they last had no laundry, so we definitely utilized these facilities, so thank you so much. Just stopped at the gas station, the Golf Mart right by the hotel, because I need a new smart water bottle. This is what mine looks like. It's all dented on top and the bottom's not flat. But I can't find them anywhere. Did manage to get a Mountain Dew though and some chips. Important things in life. Chicken pot pie, homemade chicken pot pie. A Village Farmer Market. What did you think of the pot pie?
The pie was really good. 10 out of 10.
And then we got this apple thing. It's pretty good. We have a lot of baked goods inside and stuff. Should have took a video of that. Shoot, dang it. This is why it takes us forever to get to camp. Every day. Camping for AT through hikers only. How are they supposed to know if you're through hiking? You can make up a little story and camp a lamp here.
Do a couple things, I'm sure.
Not only did we make it to New Jersey, but we are at 1300. Lucky number 1300. Woohoo! Number 2. I think there's a tree one too, maybe up here a little bit. That's a mighty spider. Here's a decent sized chestnut. All the way up top are some mayflowers for booty shorts. It's another hot one today. It's the humidity that's getting to us. I've been dripping sweat since we got back on the trail. But about to go to Sunfish Pond, one of the 7 natural wonders of New Jersey. There's some kind of plaque right here. Natural landmark. That's just what's saying the pond is. Pond is actually really pretty. No swimming here though. You actually can't swim anywhere in New Jersey unless there's a lifeguard. The froggy just jumped in. Look at that ginormous frog right there. That sucker's huge. Very rocky around the lake. Or pond. They're not like. I feel like this is the prettiest view we've seen in a while. See the river over there. And over there, some man-made things. Some flies around, really make it quite enchanting. There's a bunch of turkeys. Oh, you gotta see them. Like babies? Aw. Hi, turkey. Bye, turkeys.
That's a
There's
big one.
bear. Oh my gosh, it's no longer propaganda. He's right there. It's a big one.
I think he's pretty big.
Oh, he's looking at us. A little bear.
I should keep going.
I think this is the highest fire tower we've been on. What do you think?
Yeah.
And saw the bear like right over there. You can see the white place in that road right there. And then this very pretty full sunset.